Yeah, you know,
Good luck.
it's fine.
You are
Not the mole.
Not the mole.
not the mole.
Let's go, guys.
Who was Steve?
What does mole mean? Why
Who-
does it say it on my screen?
Does anyone want to go in a group like it of two?
Yesterday.
Oh.
I was camping. Yeah, I'm the guy who joined the VC with like right next to a river. Cause I'm cool like that.
Oh, iron.
Does anyone have a crafting table?
Dude.
Come on.
Yeah. My bad, gang.
Are we just fully digging straight down? Okay, now you're going 2 by 2. Oh. I did not mean to. Hold on. There we go.
Okay, I guess I'm mining down too. Please don't mind where I'm going. Oh, iron. We are hacking on camera report.
Oh, hello. Oh, I see you. Hello. Myth. Yeah, I had 2 groups and we all got separated.
So, alright. Come up.
With
Can the mole kill someone, please? Like, Miff, can you go kill someone like you killed Minx?
Yeah, I'll go.
I want to
I
kill
don't
some chickens for feathers. Thing, it's going on. Yeah, now it's better. Where did you find the trial chamber? Oh shit. Yeah. Me and Mark also found the ancient. Yeah, I was with Mart. You can ask him if you want. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yes, I will keep it secret. Maybe you are the mole. You're making me friends. So, oh. More, mer,
Hello,
more.
guys.
Okay.
Hello.
Did you have a nice
No, it's
conversation?
just been us.
Yeah.
With both.
Uh-oh.
Why would they both be there? back here. And then,
Yeah.
yeah,
Alright,
should
let's
we
go.
go there? I haven't been there this way.
Yeah. I'll go
Like, you
with
are
Harvey.
Myth, right?
No, Harvey.
Harvey, okay. Who's Myth then? I don't know anymore.
The full diamond.
Need
Yeah.
them to kill someone. The mole has. But I trust Canary and I think I trust you, Harvey, because you aren't doing anything, so it'll be fine.
This time, so
Because no, because he was with Minx and now he's saying that he split up from us, which is just not true.
yeah. Yeah.
But this time,
Yeah.
like
L waffle. L waffle.
we are with four this time, and then Minx and Myth split up, or like we split up from them, and now Minx is not here. Oh, chicken. There's a wolf here. Oh. Is Meadow here?
Yeah. Yeah. Who's here? Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah.
Kill me,
yeah.
kill me, kill me.
It's a diamond guy. Diamond guy. That. I think he's the last one. Yeah, what? Baby saw me, what's up? My question is, how the fuck did those 4 guys died? Sharky. What the fuck me? Jeez. Yeah, I think so. Meadow, yes. Alright, end it. Yeah, otherwise he wouldn't agree. Like, then he would have lost.
Yo!
Hey!
Guys,
We died like I died like
Mid.
Me and Fantastic had a great
genuinely,
time. Me and
considered
Fantastic had a
just, like,
great time.
I considered leaving the game because I didn't want to
What?
be mold again. You don't even
So,
understand.
I don't know where the hell you went, by the way. Like, where did you go at the start? Yeah, okay, so we found it as well, and we just before we were about to leave, we spawned a warden. Fantastic got killed by it. I for some reason dug into the wall to escape it and got like hit by a beam to half health. And I was like, but eventually, like, it just stopped locking onto me. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna sit here. I'll be fine, right? I'll just wait for it to unaggro. I'll be fine. I'll live. And then I just start taking damage. I fucking suffocated in the world border, gang. I didn't know it was closing. Suffocating is such a
would've more,
sad
right?
death. Oh my god.
Harvey, it wasn't even my idea to jump you guys. I was just like agreeing with it. Like I
Fuck
was.
you mean? Jumping.
Minx.
Who I
The three
went?
of us that split up, we
Minx.
decided to go jump Harvey.
How did you die?
What?
I
Because
died
we
from
we thought it was
It-
him, or
was
they thought it
very
was
bad.
him, but I knew it was me. Yeah,
I
I
thought-
Myth, how many
figured
kills
that
did you
out,
get?
and I 0. That's
Oh,
how many
okay.
kills I got. 0.
Okay,
I
great.
don't want
great.
to be mole ever again.